So I went to the market to buy mangoes. They are on season at the moment, and one was going for 5 Kenya shillings. That is quite affordable, so you should definitely take advantage of the season. So when I got home, I had to wash them thoroughly. I'll do a video on how to wash fruits the best way. So I washed my fruits thoroughly on running water. Then this is what I used to prepare this juice. The 4 mangoes, a piece of ginger, that's fresh ginger, and water. This is like a cup of water, and 4 freshly squeezed lemons. So that's lemon juice and cinnamon. Cinnamon happens to be my favorite spice. I really love it and you should definitely have it. So I cut my mangoes into small pieces and put everything to a blender and blended it. And just like that, my juice was ready. So I poured it into this glass bottle. I have several of these because I usually reuse them from items that I usually shop and they are in such bottles. So you don't dispose them, you just clean them and keep them. They will be of great use. And make sure if it spills over, just wipe using a serviette or a clean towel. And then you seal your drink. You see, this bottle had Ribena and I didn't dispose it. I recycled it the same as this. It had ketchup. So that's what I usually do. It's a good hack. And once I was done with my juices, transferring them to the bottles, I stored them in the fridge. This will last me for a week. It's very healthy and tasty. Thank you guys for watching. That's it for today. Until next time, Baraka.